To connect a printer with Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to select connected devices right here, and then we can click on connection preferences. Inside we can select the printing service, and then there's a few different ways where you can connect your printer. First one is to just click on default print service, make sure that it's active, and then your printer, you need to enter pairing mode on it. So when it's in the pairing mode, you should be able to discover your printer right here in this area, and you can connect with it. If this doesn't work, you can always go back to the printing service and click on plus add service. From here you should see a few different plugins. You can try to download one of the plugins, especially if it has your printer name in it, and then when it's downloaded, click on it here again, and then wait until you see your printer added. But you always need to enter pairing mode on your printer, otherwise you won't be able to connect it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.